Here's a brief demo on how to cite your JSTOR articles in EasyBib. First, take your JSTOR article's title, keyword, or DOI number, and then in EasyBib, click on the Journal tab. Type in the information, and to the right, click Cite This. You'll see some results appear. However, if your article was specifically found in JSTOR, click on the JSTOR tab. Locate your article, and to the right of it, click Select. Make sure all of the information is accurate. If everything looks good, click Create Citation, and your citation has been made for you.